Hi friends, myself Gulmada. Today we are going to see lookup transformation in SSIS. Today agenda, what is lookup transformation in SSIS? How to use lookup transformation in SSIS. The lookup transformation in SSIS is one of the most useful transformations which is used to compare the source data to the existing data from the reference table and then find the matching and non-matching rows. Lookup transformation in SSIS is basically case sensitive. Guys, you remember this is the case sensitive. So before doing lookup transformation, you just check the case sensitive, right? Either in the DB or source file, so it will be like case insensitive means you need to convert that to like kind of type case by using type case transformation. You can convert either to uppercase or lowercase. Then please do it. Okay. In this demo, we are going to use source as a CSV file and reference table as a SQL Server table. Then we will be finding the matching records from the reference table by using the column ID and then pick the gender column from the reference table. Then finally, we will be loading the matching record and non-matching record to the new tables. Okay, this is the demo. Let me showcase what is the source and reference file side. Let me open the source file. So if you see the source file having ID, first name, last name, email, and IP address. Okay. So it's having around 102 records basically. Okay. There are around 102 records. So let me showcase the reference table. This is our reference table. You could see here ID, first name, last name, email, IP address. Not this one, sorry. So here you see gender also it's present, but in the CSV file there is no gender. What we are going to do, we will comparing this ID column versus this ID column, right? So then we will be identifying the gender for the respective matching column. Okay, if you see gender, right? So here if you see overall 52 records present basically. So whatever present, right, between the source versus reference table, whatever the ID is present, the respective matching gender details, all things will be loaded into one table. Another thing, non-matching IDs, right, in the source table, if there is no ID present in the lookup table, then the respective non-matching records also we will be moved to another table. Let's start. Visual Studio create new SSIS package. Okay, drag and drop data flow task, double click and define the source column. Source is what? It's a OL, it's a flat file source, right? Because we are going to pick CSV file. Then before that, it's you just close it, otherwise we will be get error while running. I'm just creating new connection manager for the CSV file. Pick the file, just select the extension as a CSV file and pick the CSV file. Okay, columns name in the first data row. Okay, this need to be checked because our CSV file having headers, right? So then just go columns and check preview the data and click OK. Okay. Now we define the source. Now you have to define what lookup transformation, correct? So the lookup is present here under common. Okay. Just drag and drop lookup transformation. Then connect this from flat file source to lookup. Then double click lookup. So I'm selecting full cache mode. So the full cache mode basically when it's transformation start, right, the lookup table details basically preload into our cache memory. Okay, so the whenever the transformation happening from data flow, it always check records from the cache. Okay, so then it will return the record. So it will be basically it will preload the entire table to the cache memory, and then from cache memory only all the lookup transformation will be happening. Okay, that is the full cache. But if you use the partial cache, right, so it will start with empty cache. That means what I'm saying, it's not like full cache. It won't preload the entire table into cache. Instead, whenever any new row coming from the data flow, right, so it will check directly in the cache already the record is present or not. If not present, then only it will go and check in the lookup table. Okay, otherwise it will be take from the cache only. Once it's fine, right, from the lookup table, then again it will load into the memory for the next time purpose. Okay, so the no cache mode, in any of this stage it won't store any data to the cache. Okay, instead of that it directly pick the records from the table only. Okay, the lookup table only, it will hit the lookup table directly, it won't use any cache. The full cache mode where guys you just avoid if the table have many number of records. Okay, okay, just connection, create new, select which table, person dump table. So based on ID column, we are just going to match correct. Just select this and drag and drop. Cannot map input column ID because the data type do not match. Check the data type of the table. Okay, here in worker it's a Unicode string, but if you see here flat file connection manager, if you open, you could see in advanced ID is a string column. So you have to convert this to Unicode. Okay, so then select Unicode string dt underscore wstr and then click OK. So now click double click this and go connection and again select the person done. Okay, click column. Now try to select this and try to drag and drop. Okay, we missed one thing. So once you have done changes, right, you need to double click, then only the changes will be applied. Yes, click provide OK. Now if you go and select, the issue will get resolved. Okay, now drag and drop. So if you see, now ID, based on ID lookup, we are going to pick gender from the reference table. Okay, okay, gender, and if you go advanced and columns, so if you see they look up operation R dash a new column. Okay, then specify how to handle rows with no matching entries. We are going to redirect those rows to another destination table, right? So then you have to say redirect rows to no matching output. You have to select. Okay, click OK. So now you have to define destination. Destination is what? OIDB destination, because we are going to load data to SQL Server tables, right? Matching and non-matching. So there are two OIDB destination I have placed, because one for matching and another for non-matching. Now drag and drop this one. This you need to select lookup match output. Okay, click OK. Then this one you have to select lookup no matching, right? So now you have to define the table. I'm just creating new table for lookup matching. Okay, click OK. So, see, guys, you can see gender column. It's created, right? Whatever we additionally found in reference table that you could see here. Okay. So now no matching output. Select new table. Create new table. Here you just pick look up no match. Click OK. Uh, Mapping is already present. If you see, these are all the columns, right? ID, first name, last name, email. So in the right side, we are not going to, since there is no matching, there could be no record from the reference table, correct? So this is all data from the CSV file. Okay, okay, click OK. Now save this. Now just run this. Okay. Okay. Start to run. See the matching record 52 record, non-matching record 50 records. So just to go and verify tables, right? Let me refer the tables. Lookup. So the lookup matching record, select top. Okay, 52 records. If you see the female, it's picked. Okay, now lookup now matching records. So only the source data 50 records. That means records not present in the reference table that's loaded here. Okay guys, I hope you understand well in the lookup transformation. If you have any clarification, please comment me. Also, if you like the channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.